Hello, everyone, and welcome back to the Mr. English Podcast. I'm Emily.
And I'm David. Today we have an exciting and very useful topic: how to build confidence for public speaking.
Yes, speaking in front of a group can be scary, even for native speakers. But with practice and the right mindset, anyone can speak confidently.
By the end of this episode, you'll learn strategies to overcome fear, speak clearly, and engage your audience.
Confidence is the key to public speaking. If you appear confident, your audience is more likely to listen and trust your message.
Even if you make small mistakes, confidence helps you recover smoothly.
Remember, no one expects perfection. Clear speech, eye contact, and energy are more important than flawless grammar.
Here are common fears: forgetting your words, speaking too fast, being judged by others, silence or awkward pauses.
To overcome them, practice multiple times, use simple notes or bullet points, take deep breaths before speaking, start with small groups before big audiences.
We'll do exercises later to help with these fears.
Preparation is critical. Know your topic. The more you know, the more confident you feel. Organize your speech: intro, main points, conclusion. Write key phrases instead of full sentences. Use key words. Practice aloud. Reading silently is not enough.
Example structure. Introduction. Hi, I'm David. Today I'll talk about learning English confidently. Main points. 1. Listen a lot. 2. Speak regularly. 3. Don't fear mistakes. Conclusion. Remember, confidence grows with practice.
Your body language matters. Stand tall, shoulders back, make eye contact, smile naturally, use hand gestures moderately.
Your voice matters too. Speak clearly, vary pitch and tone, pause for emphasis. Don't rush.
Practice saying, confidence comes from preparation and practice with a strong, clear voice.
Nervous speakers often talk too fast. Deep breathing helps.
Try this. Breathe in slowly for 4 seconds. Hold for 2 seconds. Breathe out slowly for 6 seconds.
Repeat 3 times before speaking. It calms nerves and improves voice control.
Start with 30-second speeches. Choose simple topics: your favorite hobby, your hometown, a book you love.
Example. Hi, I'm David. My favorite hobby is playing football. I play every weekend with my friends. Football keeps me healthy and happy.
Listeners, pause and try speaking this aloud. Repeat until natural.
Engagement is key. Ask questions, smile, and include stories.
Example. Have you ever tried learning a new language? I tried, and it was challenging but fun.
Stories and questions make your speech memorable and interesting.
Everyone makes mistakes. Confidence is shown by recovering smoothly.
Strategies. Pause, breathe, and continue. Use humor, like, oops, I meant. Rephrase if necessary. Ignore small errors and focus on content.
Listeners, practice saying a sentence and intentionally make a small mistake, then continue confidently.
Imagine you are in a meeting or class. Practice. How about you?
Hi everyone, I'm Emily. I'm from Phnom Penh and I love learning English. I enjoy reading and hiking.
Hi, I'm David. I teach English. I enjoy football and traveling. What about you?
Pause, take a breath, then continue naturally.
Notice how pauses, eye contact, and confident tone help.
Warm up your voice before speaking, humming for 10 seconds, lip trills like brrr sound, tongue twisters, red lorry, yellow lorry. She sells seashells by the seashore.
Repeat slowly, then faster. This improves clarity and pronunciation.
Now, Practice 1 to 2 minute speeches. Use a simple structure. Introduce yourself. Say 2 to 3 main points. End with a conclusion.
Hi, I'm David. I'm from Siem Reap. Today I want to talk about learning English. First, listening regularly is important. Second, speaking often builds confidence. Third, don't fear mistakes. Remember, confidence grows with practice. Thank you.
Pause, breathe, and practice repeating this aloud.
Common tips. Visualize success before speaking. Smile at the audience. Focus on your message, not yourself. Start with small groups. Practice daily.
Even experienced speakers feel nervous, but these strategies help you appear calm and confident.
This week, prepare a 2-minute speech on any topic. Record yourself and listen. Practice in front of a friend or family member. Focus on clear pronunciation, pauses, and eye contact.
Comment below and share your experience. Confidence grows with repeated practice.
That's all for today's episode on confidence for public speaking.
Subscribe, like, and share with friends learning English.
And leave a comment, which technique will I use first to improve my public speaking?
Thanks for listening. See you next time. Bye-bye.